guys, this is your girl Yvonne coming back to you with another video about a little bit of this and a little bit of that, getting you upfront and personal in my life. And this morning, guys, I am going to prepare dinner early because I have a lot to do. I have a lot of assignment to do, and I have a lot of video preparation. So I'm going to be preparing dinner early for everybody. You know, I just eat once a day and keep my snack on and my exercise routine going on, guys. And I'm telling you, I am feeling so pumped up, so ready. But guys, I went on the scale and I ain't losing no weight, but I feel better. I feel good, but I'm still not demotivated. I am still not demotivated because I know I am moving, I'm more flexible. But this morning, I'm going to take you into the kitchen and I'm going to show you what I am going to be preparing for the family for this evening. Yeah, come with me, guys. This is my preparation for my curry chicken and rice, just typical Jamaican style curry chicken and rice. So here I have my onions cut up and my bell pepper here, and then I prepare my chicken already and my garlic. Then I have some salt. Then I have this Meditarian herb. Then my curry, and then over here I have my perfect pinch Italian seasoning. This is the part I'm going to use to cover over the chicken, so I let it marinate for a while until I'm ready. And this is the rice, the typical Manhattan rice that I'm going to use. And you know, guys, my favorite olive oil. So what I'm going to do now is to put the seasoning in and let it soak into the chicken. So I'm going to put it in the garlic. Yes, guys, put it in the garlic in it. And put in the bell pepper. Then I'm going to go ahead and just add the onions in. Okay. Then I'm going to put my salt in. Then I'm going to be putting in my herbs. Then I'm gonna add some curry powder. And then I'm gonna just sprinkle some of this Italian seasoning on it. And what I'm going to do, guys, is just stir this up and let it sit for a while. And guys, because I don't want the curry to go into my fingers, what I do is to just use a spoon and just rub the chicken, rub the seasoning in. Let the seasoning sit in it. We'll just rub it up because I don't want my nails to change color. So I just do this. This is what it looks like, guys, after I rub the seasoning in. So I'm gonna be covering this bad boy over and let the season marinate in it for a while, about 45 to an hour, and then I'll get back to you guys. Now guys, this 3 cups of rice I'm gonna prepare. In the meantime, I have the chicken in the fridge. It is now 30 minutes in the fridge. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the rice. And here is a pot. I have on the stove with the water. So it's 3 cups of rice with 6 cups of water. So I'm gonna let it boil. Guys, the water now come to a boil. I'm gonna go ahead and put in just a teaspoon of salt. And then I already washed the rice. So I'm gonna pour the rice in. Okay. I'm just gonna stick a little oil. I like a little oil in mine. Stir it up and leave it for a while. And I'm just gonna turn the heat down, turn it to it. Right, so I'm just leave it. The chicken is ready to go, guys, ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is to pour some oil, just a little oil, not too much. And then I'm going to put some curry in the pot and let it burn. Let the curry cook a little bit. That's enough curry. Because what you want to let the curry cook a little bit. Because you want when you put in the chicken, you want the chicken to get that curry look. You want to do that? You can just go ahead now, guys, and you can just start putting in the chicken. Start putting in the chicken, guys. What it looks like, guys, in the pot. So what I like to do is to just let it sit there, and you know, sometimes I just go ahead and just let the just turn it around a little bit in the pot. Sometimes I just throw it in the pot like that, just to give it that little brown. Make sure all the seasoning and the curry cover over everything nicely. curry that I put in it before. I want to make sure that everything will come over into it. Mix it up nice well, guys. So in the process, so what I'm going to go ahead now and do, I'm just going to go ahead and put some water in. And let it cook. Just want to turn the flame down so it's not in a rush. Let the rice cook. So when everything is finished, guys, I'll come back and show you the end product. What it looks like. Let's cover it over now and let it cook down. Now look at this, guys. Look at this. Not too much grease. Just right. Just nice. This is after 45 minutes, guys. This is what it looks like. And this is the rice. All well, all shelly. All shelly and ready, guys. So I'm going to be sharing out some food for myself right now. Here you have it, guys. Just natural curry chicken and rice. And you can put any vegetable you want to your liking, guys. And there you go. I had some vegetable, some sliced, some prepared vegetable that I had, and I am going to be devouring this food right now. Look at it, guys. That's rice and curry chicken for you guys, homemade. Guys, you know, when I was growing up in Jamaica, I could tell what everybody is cooking. If you were cooking curry chicken, I could tell. If you were cooking oxtail, I could tell. If you were cooking just some chicken back, anything that was cooking, we could tell who was cooking what in the community. Because we live in a very open window community, so the smell and the aroma could just go out and just take over the nostril of everybody. And we had that familiar smell with everything that we prepare, especially if you're cooking some curry goat. But guys, I really enjoy my curry chicken, and I know my family is going to enjoy this curry chicken meal today. So, you know, guys, if you like this video, please don't be afraid to like, share, and subscribe to this video so that you can be notified of another video. Yeah, you can be notified, guys. Jamaicans, I don't see nobody subscribing to me from Jamaica. What happened? I've been subscribing to so many people from Jamaica and nobody responding back to my subscription. They don't even look. They don't even make a comment. They don't even say nothing. But it's okay. But it's okay. I'm going to keep subscribing to your channel because I know I love you guys. I love you guys. So I just need you to support me. I just need you to support me. Just support me, guys, because I'm here to support everybody. So, like my grandmother used to say, if you can't be good, be careful. Walk good, guys. Bye.